What's up, guys? My name is P, and I'd like to welcome you to another edition of Phipps Tips. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at the overall market. We're going to check out its top performers. We'll have a look at the biggest winners of the day and the biggest losers of the day. We got a couple news articles today pertaining to two different cryptocurrencies, the mother of all chains, MOAC, and Steam. Have a little chat about those. And then we're going to wrap it all up with what seems to be maybe a recovering Bitcoin on technical analysis. All that and more coming up. Stay tuned. And we're on coinmarketcap.com, guys. The market cap currently at $370.8 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of nearly $19.5 billion, with Bitcoin dominance checking in at 37.5%. Of our top five, a little bit of sideways action today, guys. Bitcoin down just 1.1%, Ethereum down nearly 1%, Ripple down nearly 1.5%, Bitcoin Cash down 4.43%, and EOS up only 0.33%. Movers and shakers against Bitcoin today, guys. We have Binance Coin up 21.18%. I'll get into why that's up here in a second, guys. Wacky Chain up 14.77%. Mixin up 8.79%. Zcash up 7.14%. And Populous up 6.65%. And the reason why, guys, Binance Coin is up the way it is CZ tweeted out today that if you had, I believe it was roughly 500 Binance coins or BNB, that any referral bonus that you had will be doubled if you hold that much BNB. So there is the reason, guys, why Binance Coin is shooting up the way it is. Other than the fact that, in my opinion, Binance Coin is awesome. Any of these exchange coins, guys, that can get you a discount on your trades and transactions are definitely worth sinking your money into. Now we're going to check out our top gainers and our biggest losers. Our number one biggest gainer today, guys, Soma, 64.18% up on the day. Internet of People up 56.43%. Escraco up 52.27%. Hellbiz up 40.13%. And Rivets up 31.23%. Our biggest losers of the day, Recoin down 43.79%. Maggie down 41%. CryptoPing down 27.4%. Hydrogen down 26.01%, and Profile Utility Token down 24.5%. So there's our gainers and losers for the day, guys. We're going to go into our news articles now. Our first one, the mother of all chains, talking about how perhaps this could be the Ethereum killer. Wait right there. The mother of all chains, MOAC, is the infrastructure blockchain that can outperform Ethereum, or so they claim. A recently launched blockchain network out of China is poised to surpass Ethereum and EOS in network speed, efficiency, and functionality. When it went live in 2015, Ethereum brought a wave of innovation to the world of blockchain. Its introduction of a decentralized app, also known as dApps, ecosystem and smart contracts sparked new ways of thinking about the possibilities of decentralization, prompting the initial coin offering surge we've witnessed over the past 18 months. 3 years later, the mother of all chains, or MOAC, has emerged as a network capable of outpacing Ethereum. How? With multi-layered architecture that allows for microchains, sharding, and cross-chain transactions. The multi-layer architecture seeks to push decentralization beyond the scope of what current infrastructure networks like Ethereum and EOS can offer. In a blockchain system like Ethereum, there's no difference between a balance transfer transaction and a smart contract transaction, said MOAC Chief Business Development Officer Ryan Wang in an interview with the author. All the transactions are handled at the global level, thus greatly limiting the TPS and the system level performance. In other words, MOAC allows developers to differentiate transaction types to improve network efficiency, which is part of how they back up their claim of a 100 times increase in transactions per second, or TPS, over Ethereum. Balance transfer transactions are important transactions that do not require heavy computation power. However, most smart contract transactions do require heavy computation power, Wang said. That's why we introduced multi-layered architecture. Now, all balance transfer transactions are handled at the bottom, POW, proof of work layer, the mother chain, and other smart contract transactions are handled at the top layer, or the microchains. MOAC also allows network participants to mine from lower power devices like mobile phones, incentivizing growth for the network scalability. Microchains, smart contracts as microchains and cross-chains. This borderless approach to further served by microchains, MOAC's unique implementation of sharding. Different dApps require different use cases, and the current one-size-fits-all blockchain solution does not exist, Wang said. We believe it makes the most sense for each of these dApps. There's a standalone blockchain serving it. The blockchain is highly configurable according to the need of the dApp. Consensus protocols, number of nodes, block size, block generation frequency, etc., etc., etc. Each microchain has its own consensus module to ensure that developers can build networks that fit their specific needs. MOAC has introduced SAM, or Smart Contracts as Microchain, which the team hopes will update the current app workflow. SAM produces a dApp-friendly ecosystem that allows developers to create blockchains that best fit their use cases. This creates a healthier ecosystem and increases TPS and system performance as more miners join, Wang said. Furthermore, the need to be able to communicate across blockchains, something not possible in the current Ethereum ecosystem, this is where MOAC's cross-chain tech marks another update to the formula, guys. When blockchains are isolated, the communities behind each are isolated. When a hard fork happens, the communities get separated and become weaker. Cross-chain enables transactions between different blockchains. Not only can we do a Bitcoin Ether transaction now, but also all the communities behind different blockchains, small or large, now become a community and become stronger than ever. MOAC isn't the only blockchain network seeking to solve these problems, however. Other competitors, such as fellow Chinese network OneChain, are eyeing them as well. Where MOAC differentiates itself, according to Wang, is the strength of its team. Co-founder and president Xia Zhu was an early adopter of Bitcoin and blockchain tech, publishing books such as Blockchain World and Blockchain Big Data. By 2011, he started a mining company with David Chen, now the CEO of MOAC, offering the world's first 28 nanometer, 1 terabyte plus Bitcoin mining machine. 3 years later, Xia and Chen co-founded Jingtom, an enterprise blockchain solution that emerged as one of the top 5 blockchain companies in China. In June of 2017, MOAC closed an ICO at 24,995 Ether, or just shy of $7 million at the time, with a current price of $11.24 per MOAC token and a supply of 56,483,386. The current market cap is $634,799,000.72, which casts it as the top 40 to 50 crypto compared to current market caps of global cryptocurrencies. Even without a major media effort, the MOAC community has grown to nearly 100,000 members via WeChat, QQ, and other Chinese social media networks. The MOAC network went live on the mainnet April 30th, and they expect to see 100 dApps online by the year's close. For more information about the MOAC and how to begin developing on it, visit the official website. The white paper can be found on this link here, guys. So, Guys, tell me what you think. Do you think MOAC, or the mother of all chains, is poised to knock Ethereum off of its throne, for lack of a better term? In my opinion, I think Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin eventually. Bitcoin is like an 8-year-old tech. It's no longer being updated, really. I mean, it's got Lightning Network and SegWit, but, I mean, the original creator is rumored to be either dead or, whatever. So, I mean, it's just the nature of these type of markets, guys, where the bigger, better beast becomes the top dog. So is this going to be one that takes over for, Ethereum? Only time will tell, guys. But what I will say is infrastructure coins are the coins that, in my opinion, should be invested in first and foremost. These are the coins that are going to bridge the gap for other cryptos to enter the space and other companies to enter this technology space. You have your EOS and your Ethereums and your Neos and your Polymaths. All these platforms, guys, are being created to help facilitate moves into the blockchain. And I think that these are slam dunks when it comes to investments. Just my opinion. But we are going to move on to our next news article. Drop a couple comments down in the comment section here, guys. Let me know what you think about Mother of All Chains. Will it be the Ethereum killer? Or will it not? Let me know what you think. Moving on. Steem blockchain welcomes its 1 millionth unique account. Cryptocurrency-related platforms often struggle to gain any sort of traction. Even when they do so, sustaining long-term growth has proven to be nearly impossible. In that respect, Steem is most certainly doing something right. With the 1 millionth account being registered on this blockchain, its associated Steemit platform is also making significant progress. Steem is trucking along quite nicely. For those unaware of what Steemit is, it is the native platform of the Steem cryptocurrency project for content creators. Steemit offers an interesting solution as it allows users to earn money by offering contributions. It is a very community-driven project which relies on Steem tech to be successful. As such, Steemit and Steem will be entwined for this foreseeable future, and one will not succeed without the other. In a recent blog post, the Steem team confirmed Steem team, that things were going according to plan. Over 1 million unique accounts exist on the Steem blockchain at this stage, which is rather impressive. A lot of new users continue to join the Steem project every single day, and it seems the rate of growth is only increasing. That makes it very different from most other cryptocurrency-related projects, which eventually face a steep drop-off in popularity after the initial hype has died down. For Steem, things are firing on all cylinders right now. The company has confirmed that there are over 1 million transactions per day on the Steem blockchain. That is a rather steep number, especially when compared to other crypto blockchains. Furthermore, it appears no other project even comes close, guys. In fact, the Steem blockchain is processing more transactions than all other chains combined. When you think about that, guys, that's insane. Insane. Considering there's well over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies out there now, meaning that there's well over 1,000 different blockchains. And this one blockchain is doing more transactions per day than the other 999 plus blockchains combined. Just something to think about. All of this is great news for the Steemit platform, as it sees hundreds of thousands of unique visitors each day. Considering that a lot of dApps working in tandem with the Steem blockchain, these numbers are only expected to rise in the near future. Of these dApps, it seems Steem is the most popular offering. Busy and Zapple are also gaining some transactions, as a fair few smaller dApps are in the mix right now. Steemit is still the main source of Steam-related activity, but it is good to see some competition in this regard. Growth is key in the world of cryptocurrency, and it seems this project is doing a lot of things correct. While all of these stats seem promising, there is no time to rest on one's laurels. There is still plenty of work to be done before the mainstream embraces Steam or any of its dApps. Indeed, most of its users are existing crypto enthusiasts rather than people who have never ventured into the industry before. It will be interesting to see what the future holds for Steam in this regard, but so far the numbers do look promising. And that is something that I was considering doing, guys, with the content that I'm creating, was to put it onto Steam for like but this channel is geared towards new cryptocurrency users and investors. And most new folks into the crypto sphere don't know what Steam is, nor have they even heard of it. So, it seems like it wouldn't be a great idea to start putting content on the Steam platform. I mean, I eventually will, there's no doubt about it, because, I want to get paid just like everybody else, guys, just like everybody else. And if that's a vessel for me to do such a thing, I'm going to try to take advantage of it. But with that being said, for now, YouTube is going to be my my choice of where I produce my content. If and when that changes, guys, I will let you all know. But, for the time being, just keep watching YouTube, because that's where I'll be keep putting all my content. But let me know what you think, guys. For those of you who do use Steam, drop me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about it. I have not even looked at the platform yet, so I'm not really too sure what all it entails. So, yeah, let me know what you think about it, guys.